Yes, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Good morning, viewers, or whatever. So, in this video, we are going to talk about mail merging. By definition, mail merging is a software feature that combines a template with a data source to create personalized documents such as letters and emails or labels. So, that's the brief definition of the word mail merging. What do I mean when I say it is software that combines a template with a data source to create personalized documents? So the data source, okay, a template is a written document, a typed document. It can be a letter, an invitation letter, or a birthday letter, or an invitation letter. Let me say, like example, an invitation letter. So that's what they call a template. So the data source it contains the details of the individuals that you are going to attach the template to. That's what we are referring as the data source. So you combine the template and the data source to create personalized documents such as letters, emails, or labels. They are basically used to invite people to a specific function or to remind people about a specific function or happening somewhere. That's a brief introduction of the mail merging. So let me briefly explain the key features of mail merging template creation design. Template creation is a design template with placeholders for dynamic content. Data source integration. It connects it connects to a data source, for example, spreadsheet database containing recipient information. Data source integration, like they said, it connects to a data source like spreadsheet containing recipient information. It's like the recipient information and the details of the people who are supposed to receive the information which should be forwarded during using the mail magic. So the recipient information is what we call data source integration. Like I told you earlier, the data source it contains the information of the recipients of the image you are going to use. The next one is match fields. Insert placeholders in the template that correspond to data fields. For example, names, address, the match field. Yeah, that's like they are. Let me say like they are the columns where you put the personal details of the recipients, like the names, the address, the contacts, anything personal about the recipients. The next one is automated document generation. The software replaces placeholders with actual data, creating personalized documents. That's like automated document generation. Like it generates the document automatically, like after enter connecting your template with the data source. Of course, the data source will contain many recipients. Now, this automated document generation, it will automatically generate the message to be forwarded to one recipient, one after the other, automatically without you pressing or typing anything. Because the mail match, it will automatically enter the names of the recipients and it will generate them automatically ready for sending. That's those are a brief introduction to features in MS Excel. So what the next part we are going to look at the steps involved in making in mail merging. There are steps involved in mail merging. The first one is prepare your data source. Organize recipient information in a spreadsheet or database. That's like if you the recipient, those who are going to receive the information, you are going to organize them in a tabular form, mainly in a spreadsheet format or a database format, because you must enter all their personal details in order for the computer to easily access them and forward them automatically. The next one is create a template. Design a document template with placeholders for dynamic content. The way I told you earlier, this template here is a designed document you are going to make, and of which you are going to combine the data source for easy transmission to the recipients. The next one is connect your data to connect your data source, like link your template to the data source. As I told you earlier, the data source you have created in a tabular form and the template, yeah, pre-designed document, you connect them together, ready for transmission. The next one is insert match fields. Add placeholders in the template corresponding to the data fields, like add placeholders, anything that's corresponding to the data fields. The next one is preview and adjust. Make a review. Review match documents for errors. Okay, preview and adjust this one here. It allows you to go over your document looking for errors, for which if you get any error, you correct. That's another step. The next one is generate the document. Create personalized documents. For example, letters, labels, anything. After generating, which is the last step, print or you send the, if you want to email, you send or save the match documents. If you are sending, it means you are sending to the recipients. If you are saving, it means you are saving and you are going to send later. So in conclusion, mail merging saves time and effort when sending bulk mailings or creating customized documents. So if there is no any other question, uh, I would like to stop here for this particular video. I could have shown you the video practically, but I will show you in my next video. That's a brief introduction. I can talk about mail merging and how the steps involved in mail merging. Though I never showed you practically, those are the steps involved in mail merging. It's a future underword document. Thank you. See you in my next video.